Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all good and welcome to Current Affairs Influx. Let's begin today's daily current affairs. November 9th, we observe National Legal Services Day. Every year in India, 9th of November is celebrated as the National Legal Service Day to make people aware of the various provisions under the Legal Service Authorities Act and the right of litigants. Where every year all legal services authorities are observed this day to commemorate the enactment of the Legal Services Authorities Act 1987. Next one. November 9 to 14, we observe International Week of Science and Peace 2021. This year, from starting 9th of November to 14th of November, is observed as an International Week of Science and Peace, and it is observed in the global in the as a globally, where this event is celebrated to encourage the people to develop better technology and cultivate peace in their countries. Whereas this whereas this day is observed by the United Nations General Assembly in the year 1988, where the events on this day are organized for the sorry on this week in this week is organized for this full week as a non-governmental initiative to encourage the big international participation in the ceremony. Next one. India's first rooftop drive-in theater launched in Mumbai. Here, the first open-air rooftop drive-in movie theater in India has been inaugurated in Mumbai, Maharashtra, where this theater has been launched in partnership with the Reliance Industries and the PVR Limited. Where in this facility can accommodate about around 290 cars, and the first movie which is going to be screened in this theater was Suryavanshi of Akshay Kumar's movie. Next one. UK unveils £5 coin to commemorate legacy of Mahatma Gandhi. The government of UK, that is United Kingdom, has unveiled a coin of £5 to commemorate the life and legacy of Mahatma Gandhi, and this is the first time that Mahatma Gandhi has been commemorated on the official United UK coin, where this coin features an image of a lotus, which is a national flower of India, and it has also had a Gandhi's most famous quote, that is, "My life is my message." Next one. China launched world's first Earth science satellite named Guangmo. Yeah, this is Guangmo is the world's first Earth science satellite, which is launched by the China into the space by the Chinese Academy of Sciences, that is CAS, and the satellite is developed by the International Research Center of Big Data for Sustainable Development Goals. Whereas this Guangmo was launched by a Long March 6 carrier rocket, and it is the 395th flight mission, where this satellite has carry out the precision analysis of energy consumption on Earth and the habitat patterns and the coastal areas in the vicinity of human populations, and it also provides the data for sustainable development indicators, where this satellite is a customized according to the United Nations 2030 agenda for the sustainable development, which is adopted in the year 2015. Whereas the president of China is Xi Jinping and the capital is Beijing, whereas the currency is renminbi. Next one. A book titled Not Just Cricket, A Reporter's Journey, which is authored by Pradeep Magazine. Here, this book called Not Just Cricket, which is authored by Pradeep Magazine, and this book is going to be released in the month of December 2021. Where in this book, it consists of the life experiences and the social, political ups and downs of the Indian cricket by the journalist Pradeep Magazine. Here, the Pradeep Magazine is a cricket writer who is a columnist and he also the former sports editor of the pioneer, and the India Today e-paper and the Hindustan Times also. Where previously he also authored the book called Not Quite Cricket. Next one. India appoints Sanjay Bhattacharya as its next ambassador to Switzerland. The Sanjay Bhattacharya, who is serving as a secretary in the Ministry of External Affairs, is now appointed as a next ambassador to the Switzerland. He also served as an Indian ambassador to Turkey also. Whereas the capital of Switzerland is Bern and the currency is Swiss franc. Next one. A book titled An Economist at Home and Abroad, A Personal Journey, which is authored by Shankaracharya. Here the Shankaracharya is a noted economist and the former chief economic advisor. And now he was written a book called An Economist at Home and Abroad. And this book features the profession and the personal life of the doctors. This book represents the professional and the personal life of Dr. Shankaracharya. Next one. Brickwork Ratings projects India's GDP at 10 to 10.5% in the fiscal year 2021. The Brickwork Ratings is a domestic credit rating agency which has estimated the India's GDP for the fiscal year 2022 is around 10 to 10.5%. Earlier it estimated about 9%, and now it has increased the GDP estimation to 10 to 10.5%. Next one. Max Verstappen wins 2021 Mexico City Grand Prix. Here the Max Verstappen, who represents the Red Bull of Netherlands, has won the 2021 Mexico City Grand Prix, which is held in the Mexico City. And whereas in the Lewis Hamilton came in the second position, and the Sergio Perez came in the third position. Next one. Manika Batra and Archana Kamath wins WTT Contender Table Tennis Tournament. Here the full form of WTT is World Table Tennis, and the Manika Batra and the Archana Girish Kamath has won the women's double title in WTT tournament, which is held in Slovenia. And whereas the Manika Batra has also won a bronze medal in the women's single title by defeating the Chinese player. Next one. Tajamul Islam wins gold medal in World Kickboxing Championship. Whereas Tajamul Islam, who is the first Kashmiri girl of the 13 years of age, now has won the gold medal in the World Kickboxing Championship under the category of under 14 category. And this World Kickboxing Championship was held at Cairo in Egypt, where she defeated the Argentina player, and she is also the brand ambassador of the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme. Next one. Rashid Khan becomes youngest bowler to take 400 T20 wickets. Where Afghanistan leg spinner Rashid Khan has become the youngest bowler to take 400 T20 wickets during the Super 12 encounter against New Zealand in Dubai. And whereas he also joined the elite cricket list of the 400 club after Dwayne Bravo, Sunil Narine and the Imran Tahir, and he became the fourth bowler to enter this 400 club. Whereas recently we have also seen that Ireland's player, that is Amy Hunter, has become the youngest batter to score ODI century in either men's or the women's cricket. Whereas Amy Hunter is the youngest player to score 100 runs either in the men's and the women's ODI cricket. Next one. Tripura develops country's first ever bamboo made cricket bat and stumps. Sorry. Here whereas Tripura has developed the first ever bamboo made cricket bat and stumps, and this is developed by the Bamboo and Cane Development Institute of Tripura, and this is the first world's first bamboo made cricket bat and stems, where these bats could be used in all forms of cricket also. And yeah, and if you see about the cricket bats, the most preferred wood for the production of the cricket bats is a willow. And but now the the Tripura has developed bamboo cricket bat and the stems. Next one. Thank you everyone. Stay safe and stay strong.